All right, let's make sure we've got everything we need. Apples, bread, pasta, and some veggies.
Should we add some juice to that?
Yeah, good idea. And what about rice? I think we're running low.
You're right. Let's add that too. Oh wait, do we really need pasta if we're getting rice?
True. Let's skip the pasta then. We still have some left from last week.
Great. What about snacks? Should we grab some chips or cookies?
Not again, Lucy. You always sneak those in. Let's keep it healthy this time.
Fine, no snacks for now.
So, where should we get everything from?
How about we get the fruit and veggies from the local market? They're always fresher there.
Agreed. Plus, they're usually cheaper too, except for apples. They tend to be more expensive at the market.
Yeah, I've noticed that. Apples are cheaper at the supermarket. What about bread?
The bread at the supermarket is definitely more affordable, but I prefer the taste of the one from the market.
True. It's a bit pricier, but I think it's worth it. Let's grab it from the market then.
Sounds good. So, local market for veggies, fruit, and bread, and supermarket for apples, juice, and rice?
Perfect. Let's go.
Wait. Don't forget to bring the shopping bag along.
The shopping bag?
Yes, the fabric one we got. It's much better than using plastic bags every time.
Oh, come on, Amanda. It's just one bag. Is it really that big of a deal?
Actually, it is. Little things like this add up, Lucy. We're reducing waste and helping the planet in our own small way.
I didn't really think about it like that.
I know it seems like a small thing, but if we care about these little actions, we're setting an example, not just for ourselves, but for others too.
You're right. Every bit helps, huh?
Exactly. Plus, that bag is way more durable than those flimsy plastic ones.
All right. I'll bring it along. Let's go shopping.